on today's episode of MotoCheez.
Are you ready, kids?
What is up, guys? Let's rebuild the transom on this old boat. So I took the old rotten wood off that was in here off the transom. They use plywood. I guess if you get marine grade or pressure treated plywood, it would have been alright, but I think 5/4 is stronger and better. Use a piece of 5/4 pressure treated, old piece I had. I straightened that out as best I could, and I'll just put this 5/4 on there. That should give it enough strength, and then maybe another piece of 5/4 back here. I would have used the whole width of that 5/4, but got the ID tag there, didn't want to cover it. So that's the finished product, guys. Let's see how that outboard clamps on there now. I think that turned out pretty good. I wouldn't be afraid to put a 10 horse on there now. Pretty solid, pretty cheesy. What's up, mini truck? Power's out again. Want to go fishing? All right, let's go fishing. Got one going out, Minnie. Gotta drop it off. Greeley, Colorado. There it is. There's the bucket truck. Cheese-tastic. Darn, there's other people fishing here, Minnie. You want to go to our other spot, Minnie? Yeah, there's usually nobody there. Tiny Tonka and Jeffro are up in Maine. Well, Tiny Tonka isn't. People gotta mess everything up, Minnie. I messed it up for everybody. Wow, that thing's flowing today. Drop that pin down a little. Go down one more. Current's moving pretty damn good. Wow. I don't think this is a great idea with the current so fast and the water so high. Whitewater Rapids over there. Well, should have looked before I launched the boat. Today is a lake day. This thing will probably fly downstream. Ready? Jeffro called. Guess he's driving. No fishing today. Darn it. Darn it, Minnie. Load is secure. Probably can't hear me, right? Hey, Jeffro, you out there? You out there, Jeffro? Oh, there he is. I heard you, but I couldn't tell if it was Skip or not. I couldn't tell if it was Skip or if my radio.
Radio picks it up, but I don't hear no voice coming out of it.
Oh, no?
No.
I was like, I wonder if he's back yet. I haven't heard anything.
See, how'd you get that boat registered? Because I only get it.
Yeah, put that on. We'll go out.
Yeah.
All right, get that motor going. Yeah, and that's fun. Your kid will like that too. See you later, Jeffro. Just thinking about Jeffro too. And then nuts out how it works. Oh, I better lock the diff. Yeah, these are too noisy. Jeez, I got people passing me. I'm doing 40. Then he passes me and pulls over. I should be doing that too. See if we can fix your GPS when we get home, Minnie. That'd be fun if Jeffro gets that little boat registered. We'll go out with mini boats and a mini truck. Ooh, look at all that stuff, Minnie. Let's get your GPS fixed. Right now. Yeah, I know what this is. That's the air jack. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Boom. Yeah, it shows it right there. 6 satellites. It's working. See how fast you're going again, Minnie. Well, we didn't get to go fishing, but you know what? It was fun anyway. That's right.
The next day.
Gotta show you something now. Got another outboard. A Force.
May the force be with you.
So the other outboard's gonna go on a back burner for a little while. I think I'm gonna work on this one. The other one will be a project because I found out it's a 71 and it has points. I'm gonna check out core bones. I got the big sandwich here one time. It was literally the size of a baby, and the meat on it was like that fat. Get a picture of your menu. That's an order. What is it, about 30 pounds?
That's 30 sandwiches.
Holy cow. More than 30? Oh my god.
That's gonna be 20 pounds of meat in this thing.
They don't play around. And this isn't even a big one. Look at this thing. Look at the size of this thing. $15, $15.50 for this. This is like
$11.
3 or 4. Yeah, feel the weight of that thing. They don't play around. And the big one is literally twice as big as this, almost, I would say.
Now, how am I supposed to put my mouth around that?
That's what she said.
That's my joke.
You'll do it. Look at that. That's some meat in that baby, huh? Look at this thing. Oh my god. Well, I gotta put my camera down.
I'm not gonna even try to finish that.
No, come on.
Nah.
I know you can finish that.
I probably could, but I'd be stuffed.
I don't even know if I can finish this half. It was a smaller half. I'm doing it. We're still waiting. Look at the size of this, though. That's the bigger half. This thing probably, I bet you that's 4 pounds
Oh yeah.
by itself.
I still got about 2 pounds here. Seems like.
And this is only $3 more than that one.
Yeah.
And that huge one that's like a baby was only like $3 or $4 more than that. I did it. Whew, done. I'm stuffed.
Geez, I hope your Jeep got enough power to haul our big asses. I'm gonna have to give us some more groceries to get up them hills.
Yeah, I got low range there. I'll put it in low range, we'll make it up the hills.
We're about 50 pounds heavier now.
I know. Oh God, I'm stuffed.
As you leave the theater, folks, please be careful.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.